All right, this is just a quick update. This is the KS3 Kaspa miner. It's been running for 12 days, 13 hours. 12 days, 13 hours at about 8,000 gigahash. Pretty consistently, as you'll see on the trend chart. Okay, so what that means for us, we're going to go ahead and cash some of this out here. And just so you guys who are interested in looking at what this is going to be valued at, we just cashed out for that 12 days. Yep, there we go. We just cashed out for the 12 days of mining. We just picked a nice round number of 24,000 CAS, which equals about 3,153 bucks. So the thing cost us about 16,000 at the time we purchased it. Got it running. So like I said, 12 days of work for $3,000. Just kind of extrapolate that. You get an idea of what we're hoping for in terms of return on investment. And with the Kaspa hash rate for the last 2 weeks, it's been anywhere from about 55-ish petahash as far as network difficulty. And it's been going up. It had a nice little dip down here, which probably yielded us a bit more CAS. But right now, it's creeping up on that 70 petahash. Yeah, just as a reference point, we're seeing increased difficulty on the network. We're seeing fluctuations on the CAS value in and of itself. And we're still making pretty good money at the moment. So anything could change. Could go to zero tonight. Could go to zero while I'm recording this video. Who knows? Could go to the moon. It's a risk we're willing to take. All right, so what does all this mean? Right now, it doesn't really mean a whole lot because it's anybody's game at this point. The price of the token can go up and increase our profits. Hash rate can go up, which decreases our profits. The hash rate probably not likely to go down, given the recent FOMO that's been going on around. I see all these devices are sold out pretty much everywhere. But I will admit that the profits so far are pretty darn promising. If we keep it up at this type of level, then odds are we're going to be paying this thing off in about 3 months. So let's hope for the best. See you guys next time.